If you don't want to export your entire video and only need a small section, this is exactly what you need to know. In this video, I'll show you how to render just a specific part of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve 20. This is one of those simple features that saves a ton of time once you know where it is, especially if you're exporting clips for social media, previews, or revisions. Start by going to your timeline in the Edit page. Move your playhead to where you want your export to begin. Now press I on your keyboard. That sets your endpoint. You'll see a small marker appear on the timeline. That tells Resolve where your export will start. Small tip here, zoom into your timeline if needed. It helps you be more precise, especially when cutting mid-sentence or mid-action. Next, move your playhead to where you want the export to end. Then press O on your keyboard. That sets your out point. Now you've defined a range. Only this section will be exported. Quick mistake to avoid. Make sure your in point comes before your out point. If you accidentally reverse them, your export won't work properly. Now head over to the Deliver page at the bottom. This is where all your export settings live. Choose your preset on the left, like YouTube or custom export, depending on what you need. This is the most important step. Scroll down in the render settings until you see render. By default, it's set to entire timeline. Change that to in/out range. That tells Resolve to only export the section you selected earlier. If you skip this step, it will still export the full timeline, so don't miss it. Now just click Add to Render Queue, then hit Render All. And that's it. Resolve will only export that specific portion of your timeline. If you find yourself doing this often, get used to using I and O quickly while editing. It speeds up your workflow a lot, especially when creating short clips or highlights. If this helped you out, hit subscribe for more simple DaVinci Resolve tutorials.